This 360 photo booth will make you Insta-Famous? MWE 26.8-inch booth goes viral at parties. Let's be real, most party setups are a total snoozefest. You spend all that time and money trying to create vibes, but your guests end up glued to their phones or awkwardly hovering near the snack table. You want unforgettable memories and eye-popping content, but your tools? Outdated, clunky, and straight up embarrassing. Tired of wasting hours on setups that don't wow anyone? Feeling creatively stuck when your cool ideas fall flat? It's not your fault. Your gear just isn't keeping up with your ambition, and your content deserves better. Period. Now throw in tight timelines, stressed out event planners, and clients who want cinematic results on a TikTok budget. Your phone alone can't cut it anymore. You're juggling ring lights, backdrops, props, and still, the results look meh. Missed angles, boring shots, and worst of all? Zero engagement. Everyone wants that viral content moment, but nobody wants to look amateur. And in the meantime, competitors are cashing in with next-level booths and immersive experiences. You're not just falling behind, you're vanishing from the feed. Enter the MWE 360 photo booth machine, the party-shaking, content-making, eyeball-grabbing secret weapon. This 26.8-inch rotating beast fits 2 to 4 guests, whips up stunning 360-degree videos, and lets you control everything with an app or remote. It's got built-in RGB LED lights, adjustable selfie stick, slow-mo, GIF, Boomerang, HD video, and a custom app, ChackTok, that runs the whole show. Whether you're hosting a wedding, launch party, or backyard bash, this booth turns every moment into an epic, shareable experience. It's not just a gadget, it's a money-making machine. Want to stand out, go viral, and give your guests an experience they'll never forget? With simplified controls, multiple device mounts, GoPro, tablet, smartphone, and super smooth rotation, this photo booth is basically your personal red carpet. You'll get studio quality shots without needing a film crew. Share instantly to socials. Add music. Brand overlays. Done. Plus, it's solid as a rock, runs whisper quiet, and comes in a flight case with wheels, ready to roll into your next event like a VIP. No stress, no mess, just yes. Don't wait, this booth doesn't sit on shelves for long. Join over 100,000 users who've already turned moments into movements. Whether you're a content creator, event planner, or just someone who knows the value of a good memory, this is your moment. Limited stock. 2-year warranty. Killer support. Massive potential. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link, grab the MWE 360 photo booth, and let the spotlight finally follow you. Let's make magic. Let's make content. Let's make everyone else wish they had one.